Assalamu alaikum and also Adab Namaskar. I excuse myself to speak in Bangla, but every place I go I speak in English. This is the only opportunity for me to speak Bangla. So, আমার নাম বদরুল খান, আমি চট্টগ্রামের ছেলে. I grew up in Bangladesh, but I went to school in the US. My undergraduate degree in chemistry, doctorate in instruction system technology. I was the founding director for Education Technology Graduate Program at the University of Texas and later at the University, the George Washington University. So my interest is to promote learning, competency-based learning for the people globally. And to my credit, in 1995, I have first written the book Web-Based Instruction. That's why I have been recognized in the world coined the phrase Web-Based Instruction. Later on, been very blessed with NATO countries that giving me the credit of founder of modern learning. আমি একজন বাংলাদেশি হিসেবে অনেক গর্বিত, সবচেয়ে বেশি গর্বিত হয়েছি when I saw English for Today textbook, Bangladesh textbook English for Today in 172 pages, they featured me. জীবিত অবস্থায় ফিচার করাটা বিরাট একটা আদর্শ. Thank you so much. And only Japanese I know, I say konnichiwa. That's what I want. I appreciate all your presence. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much.